ఈ రోజు ఫ్యామిలీ సెక్షన్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ చూద్దాం. ఫ్యామిలీ సెక్షన్ సెకండ్ పార్ట్ వాట్ ఈజ్ Solanaceae. This such this family as a word is all documents. What can comes? What? Okay. APG2. We can search. Then it will comes APG2 Solanaceae. This information will come. Conceit. Solanaceae, Mangifolia, Mangi, Astraceae, Solnal, and Solanaceae. These are the Solanaceae family root medicines. Atropine, atrocin, belladonna, capsicum, datura, metal, dubaceae, dulcimeria, fabaceae, hyscomus, hyacinth, stramonium, and tobacco, etc. Okay. Well, how to use in families section in repertory? We can search. Save some rubrics. Okay. This is the one. Limit this family. These are the family section in presenting rubrics. These are the normal. Loganacea. Limit this family. Maxfonka, Gelsomia, Ignition, Spirea, and these are the medicines present. Okay. And minerals. Metals and chemicals. These are the mineral remedies present in this analysis. This is the one of the analysis process, and also we can highlight. This is the highlight of the mineral remedies. Okay. That's all today.